how to choose the right lawyer for your car accident case, and the key questions to ask. Welcome to Ask Your Injury Lawyers podcast, featuring Buttafuoco and Associates, hosted by Rob Taormina, discussing how to find the right attorney for your car accident case and why hiring the right lawyer can make or break your case. First, let's discuss why choosing the right lawyer matters. Not all personal injury lawyers are the same. They don't have the same experience, they don't have the same approach, but yet both experience and approach matter. Now, how a strong legal team can maximize your compensation and navigate insurance tactics also matters, and it should matter to you when considering who you should hire to represent you for your car accident or any type of injury case. Now, here are some of the top questions, because I know this is where a lot of people who are in a moment of tragedy, they're in a car accident or they're hurt due to the negligence of another, and they're confused. And they're like, what should I be asking? Maybe they're getting inundated by a lot of phone calls. Well, let me arm you with some of the top questions you should be asking when trying to find and hire the right attorney for your potential case. The first question that you should ask is, do you specialize in car accident cases? Now, some lawyers handle multiple types of cases, but you want someone who's a specialist. The importance of choosing someone with a strong track record in personal injury law. Second question, you want to ask, how many car accident cases have you handled? Experience matters when negotiating with insurance companies and in court. So you want to look for a lawyer with a history of winning cases that are similar to the case that you have. The third question, what are your fees, and do you work on a contingency basis? Now, most personal injury lawyers will work on what's called a contingency fee. Basically, if they don't win, there is no fee. Understanding potential cost before committing. You want to be fully aware of what you're getting yourself into. Number 4, how will you communicate with me throughout my case? Now, some lawyers, some law firms will leave clients in the dark, and they'll just make sure that you get just like these regular updates. You want to ask about direct access to your lawyer versus communicating just to random staff or communicating just to a random portal. You want access to the person and to the people that are handling your particular case. Number 5, what is your success rate in car accident cases? This is in the event that you have had a car accident. Past performance can indicate potential future results. You want to be wary of lawyers who dodge this question or lack trial experience. That is a red flag. Number 6, will my case go to trial, and are you prepared for that? Some lawyers only settle cases. Make sure the lawyer that you hire is ready to fight if necessary. The benefits of hiring a firm with a strong litigation experience will make a big difference in your potential case. Another question is, what is my case worth? No lawyer can guarantee an amount, but they can provide a general range based on the facts that are presented to them. Factors that affect case value could be medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering. The 8th question is, who will actually handle my case? This is an important one. Some firms pass cases to junior lawyers. Make sure you know who's representing you. Ask if your attorney will be personally involved in negotiations and court proceedings. Now, here's some red flags that you should be watching out for. Number 1, lawyers who make unrealistic promises or guarantee specific outcomes. Number 2, firms that charge upfront fees for personal injury cases. And number 3, attorneys who are difficult to reach or avoid answering direct questions. Now, what should you do before hiring a lawyer? Well, here's 3 things. Number 1, research online reviews and testimonials of the law firm that you're considering to hire. Number 3, ask for references from past clients. An experienced law firm will have history of past clients that you'll be able to connect with and understand whether or not this would be a good fit for you moving forward. Number 3, schedule a free consultation to get a feel for how they handle the cases, to look at their office, to speak with their staff. Here's a few call to action, things that I want you to leave with after listening to today's episode. If you're looking for a trusted, experienced car accident attorney, contact Buttafuoco and Associates for a free consultation by calling 1-800-NOW-HURT. Also, I would really encourage everyone to subscribe to this particular show so that you can be armed with more information and more resources, so that when you're in a position, when you might be in an unfortunate position to need an attorney, we're right here to help guide you with an incredible amount of resources through the entire process. And also, don't keep it to yourself. Share this episode to help others make informed legal decisions. Thank you so much for tuning in today's podcast with Buttafuoco and Associates. We're helping accident victims rebuild their lives.